Right, Junior Cert 2025 Higher Level Maths, question 3, coordinate geometry. Okay, so let's take a look. So the points A and C are shown on the coordinate diagram below. They're there, A and C. Write the coordinates of A and C. Okay, so A is this one here. So that is at 3, comma, minus 2 on the y-axis. Okay, part C, so that's 3 minus 2. C is at 0 on the x-axis and 1 on the y-axis. Okay, so that's 0, comma 1. That's that. Second part, so that's C above. This is, okay. So plot the point B, 4, comma 3. So let's find that on the diagram. Four comma 3. So 4, comma 3. So that's going to be there, I think. Sorry, no, 4 comma 3 is there. So that is B. 4 comma 3. All right. So that's that part of it. What's left? ABCD is a parallelogram. Use this information to plot and label the point D on the diagram on the previous page. Okay, so now what have we got? We've got A, B, C. So you would do this with a ruler, but I'm going to just do it freehand, obviously, using this tool. So that's that, all right? So the difference between here and here is down 2. So this is going to be down 2. So it's going to be somewhere on this line down here. And the difference is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be here. All right, so that is point D there. So what is that? That is minus 1, comma, minus 4. And that is D. So then that's my parallelogram. That's that. Okay, so C above. Don't need to do any more than that. The point C is the midpoint on the line segment AE. So that's a line segment that doesn't exist yet. Write down the coordinates of E. Okay, so C is the midpoint of it. So let's go back up and have a look at the diagram. So C is there. That's C there. All right, so let us just go back up a small bit. So I'll draw another line. So it's going A through point C, and it's going to continue. All right, so if you look here, this one and this one are actually in a square, a 3 by 3 square. So 1, 2, 3. So in fact, if it's in the midpoint, then my other one is going to be 3 up and 3 over here, which would be there. Okay, so what is that? That is minus 3, comma 4. So I think that is E there at that point. So how do I know that's correct? Well, if I take this and this, so minus 3, 4, and 3 minus 2. So minus 3 and 4. That's what I think is correct. And the other one is 3 and minus 2. All right, so to verify I'm right, use the midpoint formula here. X1 plus x2 all over y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, so this is x1. Let me just write this up. So this is x1, this is x2, this is y1, this is y2. So the formula says x1 plus x2, so this is minus 3 plus 3 divided by 2. So that's the first part. And the second part is this one plus minus 2. Sorry, minus 2 plus 4, but that's my 2 there, divided by 2. Okay, so what's that going to give us? Well, this is going to be 0 all over 2, comma, 4 plus minus 2 is 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. So that's 2 all over 2, which gives us 0, comma 1. So that should be our point C as the midpoint to verify it, and it is 0, comma 1. So I know I'm right. So this is the correct answer here. All right, so that's it, I think, for that question. So all I did there was verify that last part using the midpoint formula. I should probably label that and say that's what I was using. Midpoint formula. Okay, but I was just verifying it. You probably would have got just the marks by doing the work on the diagram, but to verify I was right, I just did that also. All right, so I leave that one there.